Dinner is served. I told you guys that I would return once I finish with the wings and heating up the macaroni and cheese, the baked beans that I just prepared, and the broccoli. So this is the finished products. And these are some remaining wings that I have here, probably for a snack tonight or tomorrow's lunch. But once again, what we have here is chicken wings, breaded and fried, macaroni and cheese, chorizo, baked beans that I chopped up a little onion and a little bell pepper, give it a little flavor. With the broccoli, I just basically steamed it, put a little butter and salt, pepper, and the chicken wings, of course, are breaded and fried. And this is the meal for this day of the week. So here it is once again: chicken wings, macaroni and cheese, baked beans, and broccoli.